When you think of who could be the richest YouTuber, who do you think of? Probably not a kid, but that's exactly who tops the list. Take a look. According to Forbes, Ryan Kaji made $26 million this year from his YouTube channel. It's a lot of money for someone who's 8 years old, and a lot of money for anyone who's even 80 years old.
Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating journey of Ryan Kaji, the young star behind the hugely popular YouTube channel Ryan World, from his humble beginning to becoming one of the highest paid YouTubers.
Check out the house? Yeah!
Ryan Kaji was born on October 6, 2011 in Texas to parents Shion and Loann Kaji. His parents met as undergraduate student at Texas University. Shion, originally from Japan, moved to the US in high school, while Loann's family fled Vietnam as refugees. Growing up, Ryan enjoyed playing with toys and watching toy review videos on YouTube. At just 3 years old, he asked his mother, how come I am not on YouTube when all the other kids are? This sparked the idea for Ryan World, then now known as Ryan Toy Review.
Staying in quarantine makes me want to exercise, so exercise like me.
And this one comes with a balcony too. Emma's actually hiding. Can you see Emma anywhere?
In March 2015, Ryan's parents launched the Ryan Toy Review channel on YouTube. Loann quit her job as high school chemistry teacher to focus on the channel full-time. The family replaced their real-life surname with the on-screen name Kaji before going live. The channel featured Ryan unboxing and playing with various toys from learning toy to surprise egg. His infectious personality and genuine reaction resonated with viewers, especially children aged 2 to 6. The channel quickly gained popularity, amassing millions of subscribers and views.
Empty him out, guys. Look at that.
That was so cool. What should we watch next, Kate? Art for Kids.
By 2017, Ryan Toy Review had become one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube. The family signed a deal with Pocket Watch, a children media company, for marketing and merchandise. This partnership allowed the brand to expand beyond YouTube. In 2018, the channel launched an endless running game called Tag with Ryan for iOS and Android. The following year, a 20-episode preschool television series titled Ryan Mystery Playdated premiere. The channel also released a lengthy video game including Race with Ryan in 2019 and Ryan Rescue Squad in 2022.
Good night. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you. Bye. Bye.
In 2019, the channel underwent a rebranding, changing its name from Ryan Toy Review to Ryan World. This reflected the growing universe of character and content beyond toy unboxing and video. The brand continued to expand, launching a hybrid live-action and animated series called Super Spy Ryan on Amazon Kids in 2020. Later that year, it was announced that Ryan World will have an official game on the popular gaming platform Roblox.
Stella Show, yeah!
Stella Show, here we go.
Yay!
Ryan World has achieved remarkable success over the year. One of the channel videos, Hodge Egg Surprise Toys Challenge, has over 2 billion views, making it one of the 60 most viewed videos on YouTube. As of August 2024, the channel has over 37 million subscribers and over 58 billion views to their YouTube channel, making it one of the top 10 most subscribed YouTube channels in the United States. The Verge has described the channel as a mashup of personal vlog and unboxing videos, a blend of innocent childhood antiques and relentless, often overwhelming consumerism.
Which one should we watch next? Stella Show!
Ryan's success on YouTube has translated into substantial financial gain. According to Forbes, he earned $11 million between 2016 and 2017, making him the 8th highest paid YouTuber in 2018 and 2019. And 2022, he was listed as the highest paid YouTuber, earning $22 million to $26 million and $29.5 million respective from his video and product line. The Kaji family's savvy business moves such as the pocket watch deal and licensing agreement have contributed to Ryan's impressive net worth and earning.
You got it, Emma.
Almost there. Got it.
In August 2024, a feature film based on the channel Ryan World, the movie Titan Universe Adventure was released across 2,000 theaters in the United States. This marked a significant milestone of the brand, showcasing its transition from a YouTube channel to a multimedia entertainment empire. As Ryan continues to grow, it will be exciting to see what the future holds for him and his family. With their creativity, business acumen, the Kaji family is poised to keep entertainment and inspiring audience for years to come. Ryan Kaji's journey from a young toy enthusiast to a global phenomenon is truly remarkable. His success story serves as an inspiration for aspiring creators and entrepreneurs alike. Through hard work, dedication, and a genuine connection with his audience, Ryan has built an empire that continues to captivate and delegate viewers all ages. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the life of Ryan Kaji. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friend. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories from the world of YouTube and beyond.